And we're continuing on the quiz. So examples 5, 6, and 7, we're going to try to get on this page. And it is a chart. And I love how they divided it. So it says M-A-T-H, one of my favorite words. And the frequency is, how many times you get an M was 21. How many times you got an A? 26, 25 for the T, and 28. And this is on theoretical and experimental. And so a spinner with a 4 equal side section marked M-A-T-H. So this is a spinner marked M-A-T-H. And H is spun, they're all spun 100 times. So this adds up to 100 here. The results are shown below. So number 5 asks you, what is the theoretical probability of landing on an A? Well, this chart here doesn't give you the theory, it gives you the experimental. And how do you know that? Because they're not all the same. Theory would be all equal parts, but this is not. So the theoretical probability of landing on an A in experimental would be 26%, but the theoretical probability of an A would be 1 out of 4. Because you just look at it, there are 4 ways to do it. There's only one way to get an A. Number 6 is, what is the experimental probability of landing on a vowel? Well, that's the same thing as saying on an A. So it would be probability of a vowel. It's the same thing as an A, because there's only an A as a vowel, equals 26 out of 100. This is where you need the chart. Theory, you don't need a chart. And then you need to simplify that down, because we can take 2 out of the numerator and 2 out of the denominator, and you get 13/50. And then it says to compare the theoretical probability to the experimental probability on landing on an H. So you're going to take that, and it would be 1/4 for the theoretical probability, and the experimental probability would be 28 out of 100. But we can actually take we can do doubles. We can simplify it a couple of times. So we can go 14 out of 50. We can take another 2, 7 out of 25. And so we're going to be looking at this again. I'm going to rewrite it. 1/4 is the theory, and 7 out of 25, because we're looking at the H here. So they want to know which one is larger or which one is smaller when you compare. So these are you don't have the same denominators, but we know that 1/4 is smaller than 7/25. And however you wanted to look at that, that was fine. Thank you.